Sometimes the best things comes to you when you let go of control and expectations of how things should be. When you surrender to divine plan, divine timing, and open your heart for miracles that can be found in simplicity. Viewers and subscribers, go on with everything Irie. Yeah, hear me? Me just come for talk, you know. You see the animals them when me see them export from Jamaica the other day. Me as a Jamaican citizen, me personally feel a way about it. Because if people can live from another country and come in my country and realize that me they cause hurt, abuse, pain, and hate towards mongrel dog, really mongrel dog, let me ask you one question. From you born and know yourself, you know no human being who has been loyal to you like one dog, one mongrel dog. Hey, let me tell you something about mongrel dog. Mongrel dog is a very important part of our Jamaican ecosystem. Hey, anytime you have no nyama left, then wrap that up for you clean and fast. So you know what that do? That contribute to all your disposal, your garbage, your what left. Seeing as it relates to your eat and left, your bone them where you chew up and spit out it, you can call your two mongrel them and then deal with the part that you no want. Seeing? So you have to go throw in the garbage bin and then it starts stink up your whole environment, your house or your yard stink. So the mongrel dog them help you out in a more ways than one. If somebody look over your yard in the night with the intention to raid your premises, guess who is the first line of defense? If you defend your yard, your property and your life, the mongrel dog will make you know that somebody are pre your yard. When them start bark and make a bag of noise, not even the alarm system down at the bank not so loud when it go off. Mongrel dog there before every dog. And mongrel dog never sell we out yet. Them never be disloyal to we yet. And look how we treat mongrel dog. Yo, me I tell a human being, shag up. Look how the other day, foreign people wanna come from Jamaica. If we come here and I care for few animal them and I give them more respect and ratings. But we can't see in the value of these mongrel dogs. Few loyal mongrel dogs. Me and them come here and I even call them brown terrier. Me never did know say mongrel have one fancy name. Me just know say a mongrel their name and for me know them are just mongrel. In the realest way. But now foreigner after come here, find we mess and they clean it up. They all see the value in the mongrel dog them to the point which part they ship them out, carry them gone in a for them country, can take care of them. Mongrel dog are live in a fine style. A mongrel dog whenever usually have a yard. The mongrel dog they live in a one well-kept house right now. I get comfort, regular fed, and all these things. All I learned potty training and now. These mongrel dogs are people discarded in Jamaica. Every time a human being, a ordinary Jamaican human being say a mongrel, they want if he move. Run my fire, move! Big stone, lick down all these things. If you not treat your animal good, your animal will get stressed out and depressed because the animal have feelings too. So if everybody see the dog and they kick and they run and they abuse the dog are go stress out, scared and frightened all the while. Anxiety are kill the poor little mongrel dog them in the country. The mongrel dogs are a part of Jamaican lifestyle, culture, livity, and they are to be respected, appreciated, and valued because they are the best friend what you can ever have in your life. A dog will be most loyal. No matter what you say to the dog now give you bad vibes, no ill feelings. As a matter of fact, I'm one of the best listeners. If you have a problem on your mind, and you don't have nobody to talk to about your problem or your situation, just go talk to your mongrel dog. Your mongrel dog listen to you for now till the morning. And he not tell us, say, yo, you chat too much and me can't take your stress. You know, you come burden me down with your stress for. In the realest way, a mongrel dog go sit down and listen to you. And even give you a pleasant smile. Anytime you look on your dog, you see one pleasant smile on your dog face. And your dog stays and he might do something to cheer you up. In the realest way. Jano, look how we treat mongrel dogs. Look how we treat we animal them. You see, anybody who don't take a big stone and lick a dog, me not trust that person there. You see, anybody who don't like animals, even in this case a dog, especially a mongrel dog, me not trust a person there. In the realest way. Me would trust that individual with my child. Me would leave my child with a person who me know hate animals. Me would leave my child in the care of that individual. Because you see, oh, me see the person that deal with the dog them, me know say the person that will do the same thing to my child. If a person can look upon a dog and they hurt the dog, the person that don't love himself, the person that have hate somewhere itch up in a corner of mind. You see me? As a human being. So when I look upon the whole scheme and how me see Jamaicans deal with the animal, me have some videos of me walk around in my community and just, video the random animals them. Mostly the dogs them in the community. It's a shame to see how the people them, the residents them in the community who are owners of these mongrel dogs that they should be caring for and to make sure that the dog is being treated like a part of the family. That environment where the dog has its place and the dog is being treated with a level of respect, care and affection. Why most Jamaican people feel like say them for deal with them dog one particular way. When you bring one dog in the community and you can't care for the dog in the way that you are supposed to care for the dog. You not feed the dog. The dog have to go out there go fend for himself. So you find say the dog go over your neighbor yard, tear up the whole of your neighbor garbage, and even though your neighbor might not dispose of them garbage properly, the dog still find over there, tear up your neighbor garbage. Now your neighbor begs because your dog has stray coming in yard and they create a bunch of mess. You understand? So because you not care for the dog, you not feed the dog have to go out there go fend for himself. And when the dog go out there go fend for himself, he gonna make a mess in your neighbor yard or somewhere else. When you look on the street in the community lined with dog shit, you think a decoration, a part of the ornaments of the road infrastructure. As it relates to how we treat with animal, me think Jamaica need to look upon themselves and realize psychologically, something is not right. If me go look upon an animal and all the feelings that me have towards the animal is just hate. Anytime I see the dog, me just want to lick down the dog, run him from boy. Because it's a trouble him creating in the community. Me no want this in my life. Me no want no dog that can shit up me gate. Me no want no dog that can tear up my garbage pan when time me there in my bed at night time. And all these things. At night time when me there in my bed I try to have a comfortable sleep. This bunch of dog out the door, especially when the female dogs are in heat to mate and breed up unwanted puppies that no one care for. You find say one bunch of dog from all bout over the community are congregate because of one female dog, and they now move because every one of the male dog them want a jump. They want each with the female dog. Every one of the male dog them have defend the female dog, and I say I feed them time to get a ride. And I be nice and barking on one bunch of nice a people head when they want to get them good night rest to go back out in the workforce a morning. Let me ask you a question. Can you remember the first time you realized that there was an increase in the amount of exotic dogs here on the island? Do you remember when every female needed a poodle dog and every man need a Rottweiler or a pit bull? You remember the first time you see a car drive past and you see one pretty little dog in the back seat with his head shoot through the window while the car drive past and you say, blow, wow, me never see that before in a Jamaica. Or you there in the city and you just see a girl walk past with her dog in her hand, cute and cuddly like a baby. You'd never believe. You wonder say, as a Jamaican people just fall in love with dogs all of a sudden. Me never usually see this before. Every man have them Rottweiler and them pit bull. They train and they feed them pan the best dog food available in a Jamaica. Them time there, the vet them in a Jamaica definitely saw an increase in their earnings because everybody are carry them pretty little exotic dog and them big trunk pit bull and Rottweiler to the vet to make sure that their health are in tip-top shape. Look at it. Even in the animal world, you have classism and prejudice. I have seen cases where a person has some mongrel dog in a yard, along with one pretty little Pomeranian. You know the little dog that will look like a lion with a little fur around their face, so yeah. And that Pomeranian dog living at the house with mother, father, sister, brother, but the mongrel dog them have to stay outside while the Pomeranian enjoy the comfort of the home sweet home. And guess what, Pomeranian don't eat and left. Straight puppy chow from the supermarket. Pomeranian get regular bath, regular grooming, but the mongrel dog, for him Barney never beard. Flea and ticks woulda kill it. Manger broke out all bout pan the poor little mongrel dog. This is the true definition of one no dead no dashy way, and a next man garbage is a next man treasure. While those Jamaican mongrel dogs are there in Canada, Allow me to correct myself. I mean brown terrier. Did you know that those very same dogs that were shipped from Jamaica to Canada, by having the name Jamaica associated with those dogs, it actually add value to them? The name Jamaica has a very strong marketing power and appeal. Just guess the amount of money a dog lover would pay to have a Jamaican brown terrier as a pet.
Me believe now myself, you not fit it for me. Do the road rough, it never easily. One in for sleepless nights, enough dream, you see. Mommy, go and pray for me. Holding on, now let go. Still a whole faith all when things slow. Working hard, so blessing off his show. I just a guide them, can't stop me flow. On and on and on.
Viewers and subscribers, I just want to express my sincere gratitude for your view. Continue to view the Justin Blake channel. As a matter of fact, subscribe, click the notification bell. Never forget to leave a comment. Share this with everybody in your contact list. Until next time, walk good.